these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Glam Goddess of DIY, and I'm here today to bring you all some inspiring glam DIYs. Guys, we are at Dollar Tree and I am looking for some inspiration, and while in here I found some more of these acrylic boards. So guys, we are going to use those again today. I found these stickers and I thought they were so super cute. So we're going to use these stickers, and I found these little coffee, I don't know, stickers as well. And we're going to use those too. These are some butterfly stickers and I'm going to use these as well. I thought they were so super cute. Okay guys, so we're making 3 DIYs, and the first one is this one. We're going to make a little coffee shop sign to go in my daughter's kitchen. She wanted something simple but cute, and I thought this was a great idea, guys, so keep watching. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It turned out so beautifully, and I just added my little cup there to give you, that ambiance or whatever. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this particular DIY. So simple, so easy, but super cute. So guys, let's get into our next DIY. Okay, so in this next DIY, I will be using these 4 acrylic tubes that I got from Amazon. I got some garland from Amazon and our acrylic board. Okay guys, so I'm just gluing the tubes to the acrylic board, and you're not going to see the whole entire part where I glue the acrylic board onto the tubes, but guys, it's kind of self-explanatory. I am so sorry that you're not able to see it completely, but I think you'll get the idea. Okay guys, so this is the end result, and I think it looks really pretty. I just added these little wine bottles, the Louis Vuitton bottles that I got from Burlington, to it, just to give you a clear picture on, its durability and how it whether it can hold something or not. But it does, and it can hold it very well, guys. I love how this turned out. This is beautiful. Let's get into our next DIY, guys. Okay, guys, so we are doing our last DIY. We're going to use some gold leaf, our acrylic board, and we are going to use these blocks that I got from Amazon. There's some acrylic blocks, and I got them about a year ago, and I've used them in several DIYs, but I think they have went up in price because I went to look for them and I couldn't find them, and then I looked back on Amazon and they were higher than what I paid for them. I don't know if a lot of people are ordering these, but either way. But anyway, I will put the link in the description box if you all are interested. So guys, we are just using our glue gun to make X's and O's, and I did not want them perfect because I'm of course not perfect, and I just wanted them to look kind of, hand done or whatever. And I'm going to use the gold leaf over them, and I hope this turns out right, y'all. That's what I was thinking in my head. I hope this turned out right. But it turned out pretty good, y'all. So just stay tuned. As I told you guys before, y'all know I don't measure. So if my little crosses or whatever are crooked, then look, don't come for me. And guys, I forgot about the borders. I can't believe I forgot about the tic-tac-toe borders. So I'm using some rhinestone wrap from Dollar Tree to, separate the blocks. Okay, guys, so this is how it ultimately turned out. I really do like this. I am loving the gold. Guys, I remember when I hated gold, but I love it now. So I hope you all got inspiration from all of these DIYs. I hope you all are truly inspired and like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.